Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. In this video, we are going to install door locks on an entry door. I have installed already. I will walk through step by step how to install. Really easy, simple, and but sometimes it get complicated if you don't know. So I was going to install, so decided to make a video. Now let's start install those entry door locks. So now let's start installation lock on the door. You will see there's two holes for the locks. And I bought the kit with the deadbolt and the normal lock goes on the bottom with the handle. So it doesn't matter, up to you how you like. You can put deadbolt on the top, the handle lock at the bottom, the one you're going to use all the time. But in my case, at the bottom one more convenient to hold for me. I'm going to use the top for the deadbolt. That's the deadbolt. Have it just only key, then other side spinning knob. That's the parts for that one. Only screw inside the box. So key side you're going to put outside, because if you have to access from the outside you need key to access. And the second thing, how you want to look like. You can want to look like the key at the bottom or key on the top. For me it doesn't matter. I'm going to look like this. I will have a key at the bottom because it's not in center, it's like top or the bottom. So I'm going to keep key at the bottom. Now there's a little room for the lock go through. I put it through that metal piece. Here also have this piece gonna go, this piece gonna go inside this knob. So just go like this, and now we can test it one time. Here, lock, unlock, that's the way you want. Now the only thing we have to match those holes with the outside and put a screw through, and we also have to secure this piece. So that hand screwdriver, I have a little electrical screwdriver. I'm going to put more close, then we will make sure it's like straight. Okay, right now it's tight, but now it's super tight. Let me make sure nothing crooked. Unlock, lock, unlock. So now I have to keep in lock position. I'm going to tighten all the way as much I can. Okay, this one done. Now we're going to install the bottom one. Side one I choose with the handle. That's the one bronzy color, because I made door also going to be bronzy color, so I choose the bronzy color. So for this one, what we're going to do, I'm going to put this one first, then I will put these one. But here, if you see the way it is like that, this side is a flat, it has to go like this. When you're going to close door, it will make to go in and lock inside. You cannot put this way. You have to have it this way. Number one, you have to have it this way. The second, the handle, the one have a key, it goes outside. This one is not hard. It's at unlock position right now. So those two screws are these ones, they're not really long. I'm gonna try. For these pieces, I have a little small screws. You can just make it in the center and tight as much I can. Same thing at the bottom. Right now it's flush, this one. So they both are flush. Now the last one, I'm going to tighten those screws and we're going to test our lock. So now we've done this side. Unlock, lock, you put it like this. It was not unlocked from the outside. Same thing with deadbolt. Now the next part, we have to put other side two metal pieces over here so they don't damage this wood piece. And we also have to be very precise for the alignment. These one has to go to lock smooth. Two different pieces. There's one like this. That one goes on the bottom. Like this, it goes on the top.
So now we have installed this side plates, and I have to make a little adjustment. At the first time it didn't lock, it was too far in. I have to make adjustment. Now door locks, lock, and that's it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.